Hello everybody, here is Dongguan Benlg Vehicle Technology Company. We are one of the biggest electric scooter, electric bicycle, electric tricycle manufacturer in Guangdong province. Dongguan is our center, and then we have Wuxi branch, Tianjin branch, and Indian branch, Philippine branch also. Here take off more than 10,000 square meter. We have more than 300 staff work here. Okay, now let's go to our workshop. This way, please. This way here. Here is the company introduced. Here is our showroom, and then here's our Indian factory. Here's our Wuxi factory. Here's our Tianjin factory, and then here's our internship development. Benlg set up on 2004, and we have more than 40 years for exporting business. Benlg product have sold to more than 40 countries. So here is our logo. Okay, now we go to our workshop. This is the park assemble workshop. All of the part we will prepare here, and then we will start production in this workshop. This is the front shop, and then this is the rim, and this is the switch, and then the electric motor, and then this is the controller. Okay, the production will starting here. At the beginning, we will start the park assemble here from the frame. Come here, please. This is the frame, and then we will assemble the electric motor here, the suspension here, and the cable, and then the main stand, and the A-frame. Okay, next step. Come here, please. All production part will be here, and then we will put together so it doesn't miss everything. Okay, here's one set. Here's one set part here, and then we will put here and then change to another workshop, and then we will finish the full production over there. Okay, let's go. This one is our new production line. And then my colleague Oliver will introduce another part on the next workshop. Okay, my colleague Oliver will introduce next step. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, good day. This is Oliver. Today we are going to show you our workshop of assembly. From here we can see this is the suspension system. It is a scientific design for assembling. In this way we can assemble more than 1,000 units per day. Let's go and take a look. It's a scientific design. In this way, our annual output can reach 500,000 per year. Our mission is devoted to transportation facilities. We are trying to make best products of e-bike in China. Now we can see vehicles are transmitted to assembly line. As we can see, vehicles are transmitted one by one to assembly line. Now from here, we can see vehicles transmitted to assembly line. Now let's take a look. Now we can see workers are assembling vehicles. Now they are assembling cables. In this way, it is a fast way to assemble. The advantage of assembling, it will not miss any part of the vehicle. As we can see, workers are working hard. They are concentrating on their job and on their work. This is what we call the key components and key working position. Each working position will be responsible for the key components like meters, plastic parts, and the wheel part. Now they are assembling plastic parts. There are more than 20 components. Now, as we can see, there are more than 30 processes. After finishing assembling, now vehicles will be sent to the adjusting area. As we can see, vehicles will be sent to the adjusting area. Before sending to the warehouse, each vehicle will be strictly tested and fully examined, such as lights, battery, controller, throttle, and will be checked and tested. Now, technicians are testing vehicles before sending to the warehouse. a battery, controller, lights, everything. After scanning and after passing tax, vehicles will be sent to the warehouse. From here, vehicles will be transmitted to the warehouse in this way. This is another suspension conveyor system for transmitting vehicles to the warehouse. From here, next part.
Hey guys, this is Gary. I'm so pleased that I have the chance to show you our warehouse for the finished vehicles. Please come with me and take a look. Here you can see this area. When we finish assembling a vehicles, we move to here and scan the code of each vehicles into our systems. Yeah. Let us look inside. Our warehouse have 2 floors that cover an area of about 5,000 square meters. It's one of the biggest warehouses in the south of China. And you can see all these cars around here. We will put on a dust-proof bags and we make sure it keep clean and tidy. You can see all the cars are put into a designated place so we can find it quickly through our system. Yeah, and we can make sure it's inventory and it's staged. Now you can see our warehouse is such big and I can feel cool here, so we can keep all the vehicles to a very good version. Oh, here is one of our hot sales model called Rainbow. Do you know why it's called rainbows? Because it has very beautiful colors. Yeah, you can see. I can tell you the painting process is one of our proudest process in our company, because you see the color, all the color is very bright. Yeah, here it's also, wow, it's my favorite color here. And rainbow have very fine colors, so make it hot sales. And of course we will show this model, the detail, in the later live broadcast, so please keep follow us. And let us come to see the second floor. Here you see we have a deliver tape here, so we can transport the vehicles from the second floor to the first floor. And now let me show you our Benlg colorful works. Here is an exhibition room in our warehouse, and in this area there are the latest model of our company. You can see we have the whole color of each vehicles here, and I can make sure all of our colors in the vehicles is high quality. Of course, yeah, Let's come and look that way. Here is the second floor of our warehouse. You can see we put all the vehicles in tidy, clean and hold. This warehouse can store up to 15,000 vehicles, and we will make sure all the vehicles before delivered to outside will keep it clean, tidy and perfect. And in front of us is the delivery area. Let's go and come take a look. You can see our staff is moving the car to the delivery platform. Yeah. Here is our delivery platform. Now you can see our staff is loading the vehicles into the trucks. We have a lift there to help us loading our vehicles into the trucks. So here is our warehouse today. Thank you. We hope to see you soon.
Hey guys, this is Sean. Welcome to Benlg's exhibition rooms here. Now as you can see, this is a very nice, good looking, beautiful and with a fashionable furnishing style designed exhibition rooms here. As one of the greatest exhibition rooms in South China, we will invite our distributors from all over the world, all over China, come here to see our products. And then, just in June 5th, we have invited more than 400 distributors from south of China come here to join our new product launch. And we did a great job here. We got a big order, which is more than 200,000 pieces of our Benlg products. Now please follow me and take a look. Now as you can see, this is a very beautiful exhibition rooms. And please check this site. These products we customize for the Chinese market, which means the domestic market for China. And these all products for those Chinese customers. And come here, check this site. This is the hot selling models in overseas market. And especially, let's check this one, Benlg MCC001. This model is very, very popular in South America. And we have a MP3 music player inside. And also we can start these models by one single button. This is really a Benlg products with high technology. Okay, so let's check this side now. And on this 127th Canton Fair, we have our live broadcast, which means we have online shows and we introduce these models one by one to you guys. And also we have some other activities like new product launch, and then we also have some favorable policy, which means we have discounts for you guys, right? Okay, so we will be here today, and I'm looking forward to see you guys later on our broadcast. See you soon. Bye.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Cherry. Welcome to my life. Today, I'm going to introduce a very important part of electric vehicle, electric motor. As we know, electric motors are a very important part of the electric vehicle because without motors, they can't work. Okay, first, I will tell you to see how is the motors is produced. You can see there are some parts assembly here. For example, parts and motors cover and coding. You can see here, each motors have his unique motor number, which is his ID. Here is the assembly's magnetic steel. Here, magnetic steel is very important for the motor. Why? Later, I will tell you. Let's go here. You can see there's a complete production line here. In this part, we know the motor consists of stator and rotor. The gear is the very important part for the rotor. Okay. Let's go here. This is the core center. The motors use the core center to detect the rotor position. And when he knows the positions, the rotor and the motors is to tell the control, and then send the rotor positions information to the controller. The controller, according to the rotor position, and then to let the motor to walk. So if the Hall sensor is damaged, the motors will shadows and even burns. Then others there is assemblies for other accessories and share protection. Okay, now we go to the last part. After this, they will have the finished products. The finished products will take to here to pack and then place on the pallet. And some of the finished products they will take to inspection. Here is the test room. The test room is for the finished production to test whether it's okay. Okay, let's come here. This is imitated the operations of motors in muddy waters in real condition. Here is the digital watch to test how long the motor's working in the water. Okay, last but not least, I want to tell you to see a new one motors inside. Here is a new motor. And you can see inside, this is the magnetic steel. As I said before, the magnetic steel is very important for the motors, and how to distinguish the new ones and the second ones is according to here. And the new one is it's arranged in order. And the second one, it will have some damage. You can see this is the old one. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching my live. Thank you.